This week's fidget is another of those rings with beads around it. This one has 4 smooth beads to it, and so one thing that makes this different from the other rings is that it can overlap with itself a little bit. Like, I can have it on the 2 separate sides of the ring and can have a little bit of friction between them, which can be nice. And just the fact that it goes all the way around and can do that is cool. The rings can also feel them a little bit by themselves. I mean, they're kind of small. Can move them around the ring. And spin the ring because I find ways to spin many things. I think it's cool to be able to position the beads around the whole circle like that. It's a nice ring.